Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking control. Clean the chip thoroughly with soap, water, then 70% isopropyl to remove wax and oils. Once dry, sand the chip edges with 800-1200 grit. You want a feathered 0.5 mm transition so new paint bonds. Next, mask around the repair carefully, leaving just the exposed area. This prevents overspray and keeps lines sharp. Do this now because good prep is what makes touch-up invisible. It reduces lifts and ensures adhesion for the next steps. Once prepped, shake the touch-up bottle for 30 to 60 seconds so pigments mix evenly, then test on cardboard to confirm color match versus ambient light. You apply paint in thin coats with a fine brush or toothpick. This prevents runs and gives control, waiting about 10-15 minutes between coats for tack-free layering. Make several thin passes to build depth rather than one thick blob. That minimizes shrinkage and keeps edges crisp. If paint pools, dab with the applicator, do not smear. You finish by leveling the cured paint. Wet sand gently with 1500 to 2000 grit until smooth, then polish with a fine compound to match surrounding gloss. Once done, clean residue, remove masking, and inspect under several light angles to confirm a seamless blend. If you see orange peel texture or a color mismatch, recoat thinly or apply a clear coat layer and repeat light wet sanding and polish. One key troubleshooting tip: if paint lifts, stop, clean, resand, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.